Classical dancing is so rich, so much potential it is there, and so much richness is there that it should appeal to any Sarvodaya person, any sensitive, and we have experience in all the Paris or Germany or wherever the people, they have their aesthetic sensibility highly developed, they can really enjoy.
First, I would think the one good way is to advertise for teachers who are knowledgeable about Manipuri dancing and introduce it into the school curriculum. Like now, ISKCON is a faith partner of the first new Hindu government school, Hindu state primary school, which is based in Harrow. So I would recommend there so that children from a very early age can start Manipuri dancing, and it is all about Radha Krishna, so there won't be any disagreement there, because children can learn to dance for the deities, and parents will be happy because they are temple goers, and Manipuri is a very high form of dance of India, and it should be developed, and if we want, we can develop it in England.
An hour and a half, we try to give what is best in Manipuri dance to the modern audience. And this is a very difficult task to accomplish, but hopefully we'll be able to do it. Probably we need a few more decades, but it's a long journey, but we are still very hopeful.
Young dancers, they are trying to widen the horizon by taking different themes instead of only sticking to Krishna legends, or taking help of different forms of Manipur. Instead of sticking to only Ras or Sankirtan form, they take help of Thangta or Lai Harova, other forms of Manipur. That way I don't mind, and they are doing it. It's a good way to popularize Manipuri. We have to create audiences which will be able to understand the intricacies and the characteristics of Manipuri, so that if they know, if they have seen, if they are exposed to the intricacies of Manipuri through demonstrations or books, or then they will be able to appreciate the Manipuri performances.
When there are so many dancers these days from India who are well trained in Manipuri style of dancing, and there are a lot of people, they have brought costumes over. So therefore, why not bring Manipuri more in the front and perform a lot more Manipuri and show different styles of it? Develop it that way, yes.
In the modern times, many Manipuri dancers have come, but to keep on legacy, sheer performance is not enough. You have to involve people. So I believe we have to organize some kind of demonstration or kind of summer schools where the teachers from India should come and involve and demonstrate different kind of dances, so that we can take it forward. And then this particular documentary, I'm sure, will at least give a glimpse of the Manipuri dance to the younger generation and people in general.
The moment you take away your cultural values, you grow up in a vacuum. And I think that could have disastrous effect. Youngsters quite often not being able to understand what were their roots, why they are here, and what is it that have influenced their particular parents to be in a position that they were. And I believe that the matters such as dance forms, the matters such as arts, literature, actually contribute towards that particular process. I want them to actually enrich that particular lives by looking at what is going around. Not only arts, not only dance, but also the way we behave, the way we contribute in a country is so important for our children to grow as good citizens in this world.